Welcome, do-it-yourselfers! Today, we're diving into the world of dishwasher cleaning wizardry, transforming your dishwasher from grimy to gleaming the natural way. Say goodbye to expensive cleaners. We use everyday items to unclog drains, clean filters, remove limescale, and eliminate mold and odors. Let's get started. Hey there, everyone! Ever had a clogged dishwasher and thought about calling in the pros? You know, there's a nifty little fix using things you probably already have in your kitchen, and it's pocket-friendly. Let's start with our trusty baking soda. We bet it's hiding somewhere in your pantry. All right, measure out 1 cup of baking soda. And now, pour it right into the dishwasher drain. Simple, huh? Next, we have vinegar. It's not just great on fries, but it's our secret weapon today. Let's get that vinegar ready. Measure out 1 cup. And in it goes. A little fizz means it's working its magic. Now, give it about 15 minutes. Grab a coffee or take a little break. Afterward, run a hot water cycle on your dishwasher without any dishes. Check out the transformation. See? Clog-free and ready for action. Who knew it could be so simple and natural? Hey there, fabulous viewers! You won't believe how easy and affordable it is to clean your dishwasher drain using just a few items you already have at home. To start, grab some trusty baking soda. It's a natural cleaning agent that's non-toxic and safe for the dishwasher. Next up is vinegar, another natural cleaner that's probably already in your pantry. And last but not least, good old hot water. This will help wash away the debris and grime. Simple, right? First things first, remove the filter from the dishwasher. It's easy and requires no special tools. Just twist and pull. Then, generously sprinkle baking soda over the dishwasher drain. The powder will help break down all the grease and grime. Now, it's vinegar time. Pour about 1 cup slowly over the baking soda. Look at that fizz! It's working to naturally clean the drain without any harsh chemicals. Finally, it's ready for a rinse. Pour hot water gently over the fizzing solution to wash away the gunk. Replace the filter. Who knew cleaning the drain was so easy? And there you have it, a sparkling clean dishwasher drain. Today, we're here to share a quick, easy, and super affordable way to clean your dishwasher filter. It's so basic. You're going to wonder why you haven't done it sooner. All you need is some good old baking soda. Yes, just this single ingredient that's probably already in your kitchen. It's not just for cakes. It's a star in the cleaning world, too. Next, grab an old toothbrush. It will help you scrape off all the nasty grime from the filter. Open up the dishwasher and remove the filter. Generally found at the bottom, give it a gentle twist and pull, and it should come right out. Simple as that. Place the filter in a clean sink. You're setting the stage for its little spa day. Yes, you're giving your filter the pampering it deserves. Sprinkle about 1 cup of baking soda all over the filter. It helps lift the dirt easily. Time for cleaning. Use that old toothbrush to gently scrub away the gunk and build up. You'll be amazed how fast it comes off. Now, rinse the filter under running water. You'll notice it getting back its original shine, almost like brand new. Put the clean filter back in its place in the dishwasher and position it correctly. Give it a gentle push and a twist to secure it properly. And just like that, you've done it! Have you noticed some annoying hard water stains in your dishwasher? Let's dive in and naturally clean that up. Hard water can leave these limescale marks on your dishes. But don't worry, we've got a cheap and natural solution. First up, the wonders of citric acid. Just grab some lemon juice from your kitchen. Pour that lemon juice into a bowl that's safe for the dishwasher. Place it on the bottom rack and run a normal cycle. Let the lemon juice work its cleaning magic. If lemon doesn't do the trick, white vinegar is here to help. Add a cup of vinegar to a dishwasher-safe container. Set it on the top rack and let the dishwasher run. The vinegar will naturally break up hard water deposits. Still not satisfied? Baking soda is here to save the day. First, remove the racks and set them aside. Then, spray some hot water all over the inside. Next, sprinkle baking soda in the dishwasher. Give it a good scrub. It's a non-toxic way to get rid of those stains. Finally, run a normal cycle to rinse out the grime and baking soda. Let's not forget the heating element. It needs some attention too. Use some lemon juice and a toothbrush to clean it gently. It'll shine in no time. Hey there, homemakers! Ever had a moldy surprise in your dishwasher? Well, cleaning it without chemicals is way easier and cheaper than you'd think. Grab that cheap bottle of vinegar from your pantry. It's about to work wonders. Pour about a cup of vinegar into a dishwasher-safe bowl. This affordable, non-toxic ingredient will naturally banish that mold. Next, meet another cheap champion, baking soda. Ready to give mold the boot. Generously sprinkle baking soda on the moldy spots. It'll scrub and disinfect at the same time. Place the bowl on the top rack, kick off a hot water cycle, and watch nature work its magic. The vinegar disinfects while the baking soda gets to work removing the mold. Open up to a mold-free site. All achieved with natural, cheap ingredients right from home. Have you ever opened your dishwasher expecting freshness, but got a whiff of an unpleasant smell? Let's fix it the affordable and natural way. First up, a cheap and readily available hero for your dishwasher smell, white vinegar. It's not just for salads. Then, meet trusty baking soda, a kitchen staple that's more than just for baking. Set a bowl filled with white vinegar on the top rack. It's a gentle but effective cleaner and great for deodorizing too. Next, sprinkle baking soda at the bottom. This natural scrubbing agent helps neutralize odors. Who knew, right? Set your dishwasher to a hot water cycle. These natural cleaners work best with a bit of heat. Just sit back and relax for a while. Check this out! A clean, odor-free dishwasher, all without breaking the bank. And the best part? It's non-toxic. And that's how you achieve a spotless dishwasher, the natural and easy way. You won't believe the difference. A clean dishwasher means cleaner dishes and a happier home. Loved this transformation? Hit like and subscribe for more fabulous cleaning tips. Please share your dishwasher cleaning tricks in the comments below. Let's keep the magic going. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.